Hear me, man. You know it's Gangsta D representing. I mean, I say, yo, big up all of the girls them with them pum pum turn up. Enough gyal I say them pum pum turn up and them pum pum turn down. Hear me, man. At that them say, I the remix this. Enough gyal I say them pum pum turn up, but it not turn up. Hear me now. Enough of them a gyal say them pum pum turn up, and them cannot hold a man because them pum pum turn up. It's like a car where you a drive and the mileage run up. Enough of them a gyal say them pum pum turn up, and them a walk and a talk and them pum pum turn out like four tire van so them pum pum turn out. Pum pum turn out, me say them pum pum turn out, and them a walk and a talk and them pum pum turn out. Them a woman is not a problem cause them pum pum turn up and deep down in them and them know them pum pum rev out like a Kawasaki bike when the engine rev out. A be a nice atomic like something a come out. Y'all screaming at the video not take no wood in your mouth. Y'all boss a blank from your pum pum turn up. Squeeze it up from your pum pum no burn up. Any money give your pum pum, me ma feel love it up. Enough of them a gyal say them pum pum turn up, and them cannot hold a man because them pum pum burn up. It's like a car where you a drive and the mileage run up. Enough of them a gyal say them pum pum turn up, and them a walk and a talk and them pum pum turn out like four tire van so them pum pum turn out. Pum pum done out, me say them pum pum done out, and them a walk and a talk and them pum pum done out. Them a brag and a boast, but them pum pum turn up. At the talk we a run the place name pum pum turn up. Some girl a follow the swing and say them pum pum turn up, but I lie them a tell because them pum pum turn down. Some much man pass through them all over the town. It's like the game we used to play name pass round donkey. Enough man pass through them and play hanky panky. When them done with them can't go find them panty. Enough of them a gyal say them pum pum turn up, and them cannot hold a man because them pum pum burn up. It's like a car where you a drive and the mileage run up. Enough of them a gyal say them pum pum turn up, and them a walk and a talk and them pum pum turn out like four tire van so them pum pum turn out. Pum pum done out, me say them pum pum done out, and them a walk and a talk and them pum pum done out. Them a talk about man is not a problem cause them pum pum done up and deep down in them and them know them pum pum rev out like a Kawasaki bike when the engine rev out. A be a nice atomic like something a come out. Y'all screaming at the video not take no wood in your mouth. Y'all boss a blank from your pum pum turn up. Squeeze it up from your pum pum no burn up. Any money give your pum pum, me ma feel love it up.